Welding and fabrication just got a whole lot easier with the Power MIG 260 from Lincoln Electric. The new 7-inch interactive display makes setup simple and intuitive. Just pick what you want to weld and the machine does the rest. Arc Effects technology shows you how your changes may affect the weld. The Power MIG 260 is ergonomically designed for comfort and mobility. And universal input voltage enables you to power up almost anywhere. It all adds up to effortless setup, comfortable operation, and consistent weld performance. The Power MIG 260. Fabrication simplified.